Okay guys, so we are back here sa ating video, and this time we're gonna make the other 7 more audiences for US. Okay, so next is, itong gagawin natin guys. So, pupunta tayo dito sa ads natin for US, or we can just basically duplicate all of this. And for example, sanitation. Pwede natin i-duplicate yan. Click natin yung duplicate. And then new comment. And then, new campaign. And then nilagay natin yung name ng boss ko, si Jose. New audiences. Okay. US. New audiences. Then, yung date natin ngayon. Okay. Then, click on duplicate. Once mag-duplicate yan siya, mag-create yan siya ng new campaign. Okay, since yun ang goal natin guys. Okay, then i-close natin to. And then, i-click natin yung campaign para mabalikan natin yung campaign na ginawa natin. Okay, then, click natin yung campaign. And then, click natin yung ad set. And then, click natin yung edit. And para sa akin guys, gusto ko rin naman i-test yung sanitation natin. Kasi nga, working na audience siya. Sanitation. And then, check natin yung budget. Check natin yung time, which is 1 in the morning. That's okay. And then, instead of doing Canada, since United States naman yung ipatas natin, so kailangan natin i-change itong Canada to United States. Okay? Click natin yan. Boom. And then, delete the Canada. Yan ang pinaka-importante guys. Kasi nga, hindi natin pwede. Pwede naman siya like multiple countries. Pero, yun nga, since sinabi ng client natin na i-delete natin yung isang country, okay? So, since US naman to guys, hindi na si A yung ating initial. So, parang lagyan natin yung US. 18 plus, meaning 18 plus, like, let's say for example, saan ba yun? Age. Hindi naman nakalagay. Basta 18 plus. Okay? Ito. 18 plus. So, example, lagyan mo dyan ng 18 to 58 or 18 to 40 years old. Dapat i-change mo rin itong 18 to 50 or 18 to 60. Depende sa'yo. So, since okay na yan, click natin yung close. Ito pala guys, kahit nakalagay dyan na screenshot taken, wala tayong nakalagay na screenshot dyan kasi disable ko yan. So, yun lang. Then, citation, then click mo yung okay. And then, for sure naman kasi, nag-duplicate ka from the ad set, meaning, na-duplicate mo rin yung mga ads. So, ito yung mga ads nila. Okay? Then, click mo yung ad set, and then, review and publish. Then, click on publish, then, boom! Publishing. Yan, and since need ng client na to test out 7 more sa US, okay, 7 more sa USA. So, we need to test it. Kailangan natin mag-test again for another 7 audiences. So, in my case, since nagamit ko na yung mga audiences dito maybe a month ago, so hindi ko na kailangan gumawa niyan. Kasi nga, gusto siguro ni client na to have new na mga set of interest. So, okay? So, gawin natin yan guys. Ngayon guys. Live natin ngayon guys. Okay. So, ito yung $1 million. Then, click natin since gusto na yung client na 7 ad sets. So, duplicate tayo ng other 6. Same lang din ang process guys. The only thing na na-change, take note, is yung country lang. Country. Okay. So, same lang din ang process. Duplicating now. And then, click natin tong 18 plus. Kasi nga hindi naman US hindi naman yung citation naman din ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, i-delete natin yan. Then, X. And then, isa natin to guys ha. Click natin yung edit. And, well, pwede mong gamitin yung suggestions. Pero, I suggest na kasi gusto ng client kasi na anything na interest under the sun, pwede ko siya ilagay. So, let's say for example, mag-type lang ako dito ng letter T. So, lalabas siya, may lalabas talaga ng interest dyan. So, pwede natin i-try yung televisions. Then, copy natin. Kasi hindi naman stricto yung ano eh. Kasi, since ang product namin is face mask, so, I think, kahit sinong tao, need ng face mask ngayon, di ba? So, hindi natin, so, any interest will do, okay? Next is, i-type natin yung letter O. So, may loan din, okay? Then, click natin yung loan. Next is, let's say, type natin letter B. So, Oral B. Lagyan natin ano bang drum and bass. Pwede natin i-test. Again guys, kasi nga, hindi particular si client kung ano bang i-test natin na interest. Okay, next is type natin letter C. Ano bang lalabas sa letter C? Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo is a football player. Let's try that one. Next is pwede tayo mag-target ng ano guys, ng celebrity star. Let's say for example, LeBron James. Of course, lalabas yan si LeBron James. Pwede natin target na kasi we're testing it kung working ba siya or hindi. Okay, next is C. Ano bang pwede natin target? NFL. Since season ngayon ng NFL, I think. Yeah. NFL and Fox, alright. Then go, and then select. Then enter. Nag-chat na naman ng client natin, and then close. And then review and publish, then publish. Then boom! My 7 ad sets ka na guys. New audiences yan sa US. So, ganun kasimple lang ginagawa natin. Copy-paste lang tayo guys. And then, yun. Wait natin ma-publish yung ads natin. So, ang dami nag-loading. Wait lang natin. Okay, we're done. Almost done. And then, may isang mag-error. No problem. I-click mo lang balik tong review and publish. Then publish. Let's wait for it to load. Done. Boom! Alright, so may 7 new ad sets ka na test mo sa US. And again, if you're going to go to campaigns na tab, nandito yung Canada, nandito yung US, active na sila pareho, then you're done with this task. Okay? Kung pupunta ka, bumalik tayo dun sa Trello natin, click natin yung X, and then we can move on to another. Ilagay natin to sa add approval. And then, click natin yung, so, different task din ito eh. So, try natin, click natin yung BBHC. Ano ba nakalagay? Add interest to the 2 campaigns that are on 7 ad sets. Add interest to the 2 campaigns that are on 7 ad sets at $15 each. See? Sige, lagyan natin. Okay, click natin niya yung progress, and then since BBHC itong nilagay niya, so pumunta tayo doon sa BBHC kung ano ba, ito may mga announcement naman siya. Okay, may mga message naman siya. BBHC, ito yung ad account din. Ibang client din nito guys, kasi nga like sinasabi ko, nagwo-work ako under sa isang Facebook ads agency, so medyo marami silang client. So, isang client to, isang client naman to, and isang client naman din before. Okay? So, si Jose pa rin yan. So, sinabi niya dito, sa BBHC, na add interest to the 2 campaigns that are on. Okay? 7 ad sets at $15 each. Okay? So, meaning, so ito yung dalawang ad set, ito yung dalawang campaigns na on. So, ang pagkaintindi ko, mag-add daw ako ng 7 new ad sets. Okay, so wala pa talagang ad set yan. So, lagyan natin ng ad set mamaya. Same din sa ginagawa natin from the other ad account. And then dito, so wala talaga. So, yan. I think kung ibibigay sa iyo ang task na to, alam mo na kung ano bang dapat gawin mo. So, yun lang guys. So, kung may mga questions kayo regarding this, please leave a comment sa comment section natin dyan sa Facebook group natin, and I'd be really happy to answer all of your questions there. And yun, ito na yun guys. Ito yung the way magbibigay ng task ng client. Ang magbibigay ng task yung client natin. So kung ibasahin natin yung mga chat niya, ito yun. So ito yung ginawa ko na notice ko sa ginawa niya doon sa isang ad account. So, yes, Jose, I noticed that you added some bid cap on beauty. What's the basis on that? What's your basis on that? Here's what I observed, though. You gathered all the winning audiences from the past 14 days or 30 days, stacked them together, and tested the average cost per purchase differently, and you ran a CBO. Is that right? Sabi niya, yes, about right. And if it doesn't spend, you can increase it by $1. Ito yung mga tip niya ginawa sa akin, guys. So, try setting up cost cap. So, duplicate my 700 campaign or $700 campaign and do cost cap, 10 cost cap. Okay. Lagyan. See. I-check ko yan kasi medyo malaki-laki yung budget. So, $700 CBO, right? So, yan. So, yun ang may example natin, guys. So, ganito mag-communicate ng mga client ko. And, later, isi-show ko rin, ipakita ko din yung mga paano ba magbibigay ang client ng mga task via sa Skype din. Okay? So, sa next video natin yan tatalakayin. So, see you guys sa mga next videos ko along the way. Thank you guys and have a great day.